Hey Paul, this is Tyler with Leads by Lordi. I wanted to make this video for you and give you a couple things that you could implement right away to start outranking your competitors online and bringing in some more customers for your business. So I have your website pulled up here, Property Recovery 911. All right, love the name. And as I scroll down the page here, there's actually a good bit of content, right? A lot of information to read up on. All right, a little about us section, why choose us. You got your testimonials. So it looks pretty good. But the first thing that I want to talk about is content. And with Google, content is king. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on the home page. All right, and then as far as your back pages, right, your service pages, anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words. And what that will allow you to do is rank for specific keywords related to your business and the services that you offer. Now, you have to target those keywords, and we'll get into that here in a second. So I pulled up a report of your website in a tool I utilize called Ahrefs. Okay, and it shows you your rank, your information of your backlinks, which is the second thing we'll talk about. Shows you the keywords that you're currently ranking for, okay, and then the traffic. So if we jump into these keywords, we can find out what you're ranking for, and then we can sort it positionally to find out, what you're ranking for on the first page of Google. Now there's 10 spots on the first page, so anything from 1 to 10 would be the first page, and anything beyond would be second and third, fourth, etc. So we see here that Recovery 911, obviously you're ranking number 1 for, but we're looking specifically for buyer intent keywords, not just any old keyword like how to board up a window. And a keyword could be a phrase as well, so it wouldn't just be one word, it could be multiple words. All right, but again, we want those buyer intent keywords, which I consider being, in the specific area. So for your example, it would be Philadelphia. So mold removal Philadelphia would be a great one. Okay, and you can see here it brings in 100 searches a month, but we're only currently bringing in less than 1 search a month, for that phrase. So we definitely want to focus in around that keyword. Okay, and you can see here we're on the second page of Google for that, or the bottom of the second page. So focusing on mold removal Philadelphia, you have an opportunity to grab up to 100 searches a month. Okay, and then mold remediation Philadelphia, you can see here that's 90 searches, and the list goes on and on. Okay, but I would definitely want to focus on those two for sure. And if we take a look at your competitor for that keyword, and I'll show you exactly what I typed into Google. Okay, mold removal Philadelphia, and I came down and clicked on the first result, and you can see here Precision Mold Removal. Okay, this is their Philadelphia page. So it's not even actually their full website, it's just their Philadelphia location page. But as we scroll down here, they've got a good bit of content, they've got a video, lots of information here. So it's definitely something that you would want to go after and beat out their content in order to outrank them in Google. And then taking a look at their report, we can see here they don't have a lot of backlink information, which again we'll get into here in a second, but because it is only a location page, but they are ranking for 14 keywords, and as you can see, mold removal Philadelphia is number 1 for them. It's bringing in again 100 searches a month, and they're bringing in 23 of those searches to their site. So that's 23 new eyes to their site each month. So definitely a great opportunity for you. And then another one of your services I looked at was carpet cleaning. So I typed in Philadelphia carpet cleaning or carpet cleaning Philadelphia, all right, to find one of the first results. I didn't click on Stanley Steamer because it was another location page, so I went down to the first, complete website to show you a different example. And we see here Philadelphia Carpet Cleaning Pros. All right, again, as we scroll down, they've got some good content. All right, links to their different service pages here, some more content. So again, another opportunity to go in and find out what's working for them in order to outrank them. So here's their report, okay? And we go into their keywords here. We can find out again what's working, and we see here Carpet Cleaners Philadelphia. It's bringing in 150 searches a month. Carpet Cleaning Philadelphia, 300 searches a month. Right, and you can see the traffic that they're bringing in, 111 searches, 46. Okay, so definitely a great keyword to focus on in order to bring in some more eyes to your website, right? So we talked about content, how important that is. The next thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Okay, so let's head into your report once again. And a backlink is really just a vote of confidence. Right, it's a link from one website pointing back to another, showing people when they follow that link that you have the relevant content that they're looking for. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, which is why you see the UR and the DR here, which is the power and the trust coming from the backlinks that you're getting. Okay, so you have 58 sites pointing back to yours, and it's giving you 256 backlinks. And then going into one of your competitors here for the mold removal, and we'll wait till that loads. There we go. We can see here that they don't have any backlink information. So focusing in on that keyword, all right, and getting some quality backlinks would definitely set you apart from these guys, right? So that way when we type in mold removal Philadelphia, not only are you showing up on the first page, but you're going to show up above them. So you think about all the clicks that you'll be getting over them. And then, as far as that carpet cleaning that we looked at, let's take a look at their report. We can see their rank. Their power and trust are okay, and they have 29 sites pointing back to them, giving them 275 backlinks. Now, taking a look at this, right? You have 58, they have 29. So why wouldn't we be outranking them? Well, it's because of that keyword, right? We're not focused in on that. Okay, so you definitely want to focus in on that specific keyword, create some content around it on your site, because backlinks and content, they're only a few of the ranking factors that Google focuses on. There's tons and tons of ranking factors. So, but definitely focusing in on those, all right, would help outrank this competitor. So we talked about the content and the backlinks, but the last thing I want to touch upon are citations. And this is going to help in your local search. So it has everything to do with your Google My Business listing. And we list citations in business directories online. And a citation is just your name, your address, and your phone number. Okay, and it's going to help boost up the ranking here in the map pack section. So optimizing the Google My Business listing here with photos and saving those photos correctly with buyer intent keywords that we had talked about, putting in all your information, a great description with those keywords. When we type in mold removal Philadelphia, carpet cleaning Philadelphia, all right, we want you to see your listing in this map pack section, because people trust Google to send them to the top businesses. Right, so you got to imagine that these guys are getting all the website clicks and all the phone calls. So optimizing that listing, adding in those citations are definitely going to help. Okay, and then down here is the organic section. That's where you're going to see the content and those backlinks come into play. All right, and you're going to want to get listed not only here, but here as well. So utilize those 3 tips: content, backlinks, and citations. It'll help you get listed on that first page of Google, get in more website clicks, more phone calls, and obviously help grow your business. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. Here's my business website, leadsbylordeye.com. All right, I look forward to talking to you a little bit more, learning about your business, and finding out maybe how we can help each other out. All right, I'll talk to you soon.